Alright, so we've got this system forming in northern Florida. So I'll read you what we've got going on here. So an area of low pressure could develop near the southeast US Atlantic Gulf Coast by this weekend along a weakening frontal boundary. Environmental conditions appear only marginally conducive for some slow development, but a tropical or subtropical depression could form in the region over the weekend or early next week while the system moves very little. So it's basically stationary, it's not really going anywhere. So regardless of development, heavy rainfall is possible across portions of the southeast US, particularly across the western central Florida coast. So it's not going to come down to Naples and Marco Island. It's going to stay to northern Florida to central Florida. And it's only got a 40% chance of formation within the next 7 days anyway. So it's not really going to turn into a hurricane or a tropical storm. It's just going to be a bit of a rainmaker, and mainly for people around about, I don't know, I would say Sarasota, Tampa area and further north from them. It's not going to come anywhere near us, so that's good news for us, but it's only going to be a rainmaker anyway with some thunderstorms. Well, we get that on a daily basis around here anyway, don't we? So I don't think there's anything to worry about. As for the rest of the Atlantic, absolutely very quiet, nothing going on there. There is a hurricane on the in the Pacific, but that's not going to affect us either. So this is the only thing that could concern us, but really doesn't. Alright, so my name's Paul, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.